Oh my god, dude. Should we steal this truck too, or what? Goddamn birds. Damn, dude. Fast and the Furious to the max. All it's missing is some fucking rims.
Engine intake, headers. Hell yeah, dude. All right. About to get to work. Yeah, good thing I didn't buy this.
Oof.
Oofda.
Yeah, I got the big oof.
Oh yeah, City Transient's mine. All right.
Let's do this.
It's actually almost ready to come out. We got one bolt here, 2 bolts in the back, and then there's one underneath, and then the whole thing should drop out after we do these, undo these 2.
Yeah.
And we didn't have to cut the exhaust.
Yeah.
Because it was just broken already.
So that was a plus.
So yeah.
This thing's going pretty smooth this time, actually.
Yeah. Okay, so I think I got it all situated enough for a first start here. Just got oil in it. I have the fuel pressure regulator hooked up, but I don't have the solenoid wired up. And that's kind of like the only thing that I don't have wired up other than the starter, obviously. I'm just going to touch the starter with some power and hopefully that starts it up. So it's definitely getting fuel. I can hear that. Nope. Definitely fired. There it went. Alright, we're just gonna do that one more time, guys, because I fucked it up a little bit, but I gotta hold the throttle open again. I got a little too fucking happy. All right. Ready, guys? 3, 2, 1. There she is. There she is. All right, so obviously I need my fuel pressure regulator to keep it running. But other than that, she runs. This is probably all the longer I should be running anyways, because I don't have any of my coolant shit hooked up. Fuck, that sounded good though. Alright, and now it's time for me to do my job of taking this all apart and whatnot. I should probably turn off this fuel pump. Oh, God, that's a fucking relief. All starting up on the stock Lancer computer for now, so. God damn! Woo! All that work paid off. All that work paid off. Yeah! Oh yeah! It runs good. Oh boy! Oh,